Did you know that in just 1 week, silver prices soared over $6 per ounce, climbing past $56 and far outpacing the rise of gold? Behind this stunning jump is no coincidence. It's a combination of economic fluctuations, trading glitches, weakening production signals, and expectations of an upcoming Fed rate cut, all igniting the silver surge at once. What is really happening? And could this be the start of a new price era? In just a single week, the silver market experienced an extraordinary surge. Looking back to November 21, silver was priced at only $49.79 per ounce. By November 28, it had jumped straight to $56.32, an increase of over $6 in just 7 days, a pace investors had long anticipated. Even more striking, compared to the end of May, the rise has reached $23 per ounce. This isn't just a routine